Good evening everyone, I'm Isaac Pasapera. In this video I will show you how I complete this week assignment, which is to work on a project and app I'm developing. First I want to show the basic setup, which includes bringing in some dependencies, libraries that are essential for the project to function correctly and efficiently, or, or technologies. Well, in my case, I'm working with Mongoose and also with MongoDB and Express, which make handling the observed database tasks easier and much more efficient. Here's a look at my MongoDB's database. There's already some data sieve here as you can clearly see. Now we'll run some tests to make sure everything is working properly. I'm trying to follow best practice to organize the code into separate modules, each with its own specific role and clear responsibility to improve maintainability and scalability. I'm setting up the database carefully to ensure the connection is successfully using a try-catch method and seeking a way to careful wait and handle the database connection successfully. The controllers to modules. It's how MongoDB expects to receive data that is sent in later, and it can accept that without an issue, ensuring smooth operations. And also the routes I have here. The routes. Lastly, I have this server.js file that triggers everything in the app to work correctly. Entry point. Okay, I have everything here, including my port connection properly set up. Alright, so I already have all the code ready. I also want to show the importance of this file, like give ignore, which as the name says, ignore certain files so they don't get uploaded to our repo and take extra space. In my case, I have, well, I'm not in the M file. This file holds important info like credentials. The node modules folder is here, so uploading it would be too much. Additionally, it contains sensitive data and essentially configuration that keep the project secure and running smoothly. Next, I want to show the tests I've done. According to the rubric I'm testing with the REST extension, how the code bro works with GET requests, specifically demonstrating how the retrieval function in my app. Here I'm first doing the GET method into different ways to ensure everything functions correctly, and responding correctly, pulling only information that's there for it. At the same as have here in Google confirming the data is accurate. And likewise, for example, the rating title down is already set, and ascending again, it shows me status 200, meaning everything is fine. That's part of the next step I want to show you, working with the rendering to bringing up to up properly. My service is already running, and to save time, I preloaded with data making sure the whole setup is already optimized for the demonstration. This is my for now. There is no front end involved. It is all backend based, focusing on essential server functionality and database integration. But I will show the right route is giving the result immediately. The data here is perfectly matched with what's stored in the MongoDB database itself. And if I do the same operation, which is searching by ID, and I return a unique result for the entries. So these are the two operations I currently handle, both critical for proper data retrieval and management. I hope this helps and that I covered everything needed for this week's assignment. Thanks a lot.